Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your avatar in the Snapchat app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So let's just open up the app. And here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the top left corner and tap on the person icon. And here we can tap on create my avatar. And here we have a lot of customization options from which we can choose. Let's just create an avatar quickly. We can also set the hairstyle as well, facial hair. Yeah, we can customize it however we want to. Let's see, just some few details. And then after we are done, we can just tap on save. Then we can select an outfit as well. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Then you can tap on save again, and here your avatar is done. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.